Hello everyone. Today we're going to start a new chapter, and the name of our chapter is fractions. So first of all, let us know what is a fraction. Now, a fraction is a part of a whole, such as 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, etc. Now these are some examples that is given here. Now first let us know what is a whole and what is a part. So if you see, this whole circle as a whole is a whole, you can say. But if we divide it into equal parts, then each part represents a part of the whole. So here it is given 2 by 3. Now we have divided into 3 parts, and among those 3 parts of the total, that is the whole, we have taken only 2 parts. So it is 2 by 3. Similarly, here in the second picture you can see it's 4 by 7. So we have divided into 7 equal parts, and then out of those equal parts we have taken 4 parts of it. Similarly, in the third figure, 5 by 9, we have divided into 9 equal parts, and then we have taken 5 parts of it. Now this can be thought of as an, you can say if we cut the cake in our birthday and then we distribute it to our friends, families and relatives. So while distributing, we make sure that we cut it in equal pieces so that all the people present in that birthday party gets equal share of the cake. Or even we can think of as a pizza which is cut with the help of a cutter, and we will divide it among our friends by sharing equal part of that pizza. So these are some examples that I've told you just now. And what is the important thing here is that you have to know these two things that is prominent in all the fractions. That is, the upper part is called the numerator and the lower part is called the denominator. Now, as we have already seen, the denominator, it represents the total number of parts in that fraction. Say it's 6, so this whole thing is divided into 6 parts, 6 equal parts. And the numerator, it represents the number of parts that is taken, that is 4. So out of those 6 parts, 4 parts are taken. Clear? Now next, let us see what are the different types of fractions. So there are many types of fractions. The first one is the like fractions. So fractions, like fractions, let us see what are like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, etc. are all like fractions. So what is prominent here, or what you can see here clearly, is that in like fractions the denominators are always equal. So you can see here the denominator is 9 in every case. So these are all like fractions. So just you have to see is that you have to see if the denominators are equal or not. If they are, then it is a like fraction. If they are not, then it is not a like fraction. So unlike fraction, it is just the opposite of like fraction. Just now I have said a while ago that if the denominators are not equal, then they are unlike fractions. So you can see here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 8. In none of the cases the denominators are equal. So definitely they are unlike fractions. Next one is the unit fractions. So in unit fraction, the numerator is always 1. If it is the case, then we can say it is a unit fraction. You can see here 1 by 1, the numerator is 1, 1 by 2, numerator is 1, 1 by 3, numerator is 1, 1 by 7, numerator is 1. So if the numerator is 1, whatsoever is the denominator, it will always be a unit fraction. Next is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. You can see here 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 6 by 11 and 14 by 19. in all these fractions, if we see carefully, the numerator is always less than the denominator. Here 3 is less than 4, 5 is less than 7, 6 is less than 11, and 14 is less than 19. So all these fractions are called proper fractions. Now next is improper fractions. So what are improper fractions? A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 5 by 4, 7 by 5, 7 by 7, 8 by 3. So here in all these cases you see that the numerator is greater than the denominator. 5 is greater than 4, 7 is greater than 5. Or it can also be that the numerator and the denominator are equal, but not 1, okay? Keep that in mind. If it is 1, just in the earlier case when we have seen in the unit fraction is 1 by 1, it was 1, so it was unit fraction. Other than 1, if any other number is there or any other fraction is there which consists of any other number, say in this case 7 by 7, then this is not a unit fraction, it will be a improper fraction. Then 8 by 3, 8 is greater than 3. So what I mean to say is that if the denominator is greater than, sorry, my mistake, if the numerator is greater than its denominator, or if it is equal to its denominator, then it is called an improper fraction. So I hope you all have understood today's class very carefully. You can again go back to your textbook. There are a lot of examples you can solve by yourself and you can clarify your understanding. Until then, we'll see you in the next class. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.